So friends, you have most welcome Pathnescope channel. I have today learned it 11 day in this use continue keyword. What use continue keyword? I watch previous video break keyword using, and then this video is use continue. So friends, write down continue is a keyword it use inside a loop. It continue a program. What continue is a keyword it used inside a loop. It continue program. So friends, let's start our computer screen. So friends, you have a new for this channel, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for more videos in Python, basic to high level, zero to hero in Python programming language. So start uh, for I in range, for I in range. So friends, previous video is 1 comma 11, then this video is 1 comma 11, and then colon enter if I double is equal to 5, if I double is equal to 5, and then colon. So friends, previous video I will use break, and this video is continue. So continue, and then else all thing is clear, only change to continue, and then print I. What print I? So friends, we have this output. So friends, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 and 10. So friends, I will watch previous video break keyword only 1 2 3 4, and this continue keyword use 1 to 10 numbering system. So friend, which is this difference only continue and break keyword use. So friends, thanks for watching.